Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Germany, accrediting me as Resident Ambassador, Plenipotentiary, and Extraordinary of the Federal Republic of Germany to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present to you the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Thank you so much, Madam. I am so pleased to have received your presentation, and I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji, and wish you a very happy and successful mission here. Please convey to His Excellency the President of the Federal Republic of Germany, the government and the people of the Federal Republic of Germany our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity.